Hey fellas, so today I'll teach you how to draw faces. Before that, there are so many different ways to draw faces like a Loomis method, grid method, freehand method, and which I use is freehand method, which is difficult. For that you need to know a little bit drawing first, like a basic shapes practice you can do, and something like this. You can find so many videos on YouTube. They are explaining very well in that. And let's begin. Welcome back, fellas. So today I'm not drawing or coloring anything. Today I will teach you how I draw my female character faces, because I got a request from YouTube and the person was saying how you draw your female character faces, and I'm going to teach you in this video how I draw my female character faces. And don't expect too much from me because I draw my sketches pretty messy. You just need a simple eraser, simple pencil, a piece of paper to practice, and I'll teach you front face, side face, and 3 by 4 face, a little tilt face which we call. Then you need a circle, something to make a circle. Make a circle very lightly, and first thing first, you need to draw basic shapes. If your basic shapes are not well, you can draw. Now copy means, for the front face, draw a center line and two lines like I did, and you can just simply add basic shape of the face like something like this. See, and then add a basic shape and keep that thing in mind. Always draw lightly the basic shapes and then add details when your basic shapes are done, like eyes, nose, lips. See, like I'm doing it here. And make sure to not add too much pressure because you need to erase so many things. And I'm sorry for the screen is shaking so much because I only had one phone, and that's why. Here, as you can see, my sketches are pretty messy. This is a first face of a female character. This is an AI reference. Here, I'll add some hair strands here, so it will look a complete face, something like this. And moving to the next face, a side face. That's pretty much easier than the front face. Just you need to draw a line in a way your character face are looking. Mine are looking like something like this. I'll add some basic shapes, and then you have to draw a structure as usual and draw lightly so you can erase it. And also I'll add some hair strands so I can give a organic shape to my character like this. And you have to do same, and I'm saying it again, keep your pencil strokes light as possible. And this is not the finished look I did. I'll erase it and draw top of that again, as you can see. And keep your pencil sharp, or if you can buy a mechanical pencil, that would be much more better.
Like wolves in the darkness, we've adapted the blindness. Fall asleep with the sirens out. There's blood on my hands. Somebody save me from myself.
A little tilt face, or you can call 3 by 4 face. It's similar to the front face, just need to add a lines as usual like I'm doing, and boxes for eyes. And keep that thing in mind, always leave a box or one eye gap inside it. Okay, and then this time I'm drawing elf. I always do the eyes first. I don't know why. You can start with the face if you want it. That's my personal choice. That's why. But if you want, you can just simply copy me. Uh, as you can see, I did something like this. I like moving my hands, and keep the thing in mind. Don't draw too dark, or else your paper will be got damaged and your sketch look pretty messy. If you need a clean sketches, there's so many methods you can try. Another YouTube, but I do a freehand method for this.
Cause you know that will never work. I'm a little bit absurd. I like dancing on the verge. Anyone can love a pretty little mansion, but could you love a haunted, haunted house? Or could you love me now? A haunted, haunted, I'm a haunted house. A haunted, haunted house. If you're too scared, get out. A haunted, haunted,
Well, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, see you and bye bye, and keep practicing.